All right, folks. So I was heading home, and I saw another sign for another waterfall, Champney Falls. It was just a couple miles down the road from Saturday. It's only 2 o'clock. Champney Falls, 1.4 miles. I was like, you know what? We can squeak that in. Let's go. Vámonos. All right. I think this is where the trail goes here. Oh, yeah, right across the water here. All right, let's go. Love that clean water. Oh, almost rolled my ankle. Yep, it is too nice out. I was like, I can't head home right now. And it's 4th of July weekend. It's going to be traffic like a mother, you know what. So, we might as well just stay up here in the good old woods. So, that's what we're doing. I'll touch base with you folks when things get a little bit interesting. And once I figure out how to pick up my feet, so I stopped doing that. Jeez, been a long day. Should still be walking properly. No excuses here. We're out. All right. It is getting toasty, as you can see. Yes. Pretty warm. I think we've made it probably, I don't know, half a mile, 2/3 of a mile. So hopefully, I've never heard of this waterfall before. Not hopefully, I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it. Hopefully, I can jump in the old water when I get there. So we'll see. I need it. I'm toasty. This is a cool part of woods, right? Cool section of woods right here, I will say. Mighty fine, mighty fine. Nice piece, you know? Absolutely. All right. All right, folks, we're gonna keep on keeping on here. I can hear some water moving a little bit, so might be checking back in with you sooner than later, so hang in there. We'll see you soon. All right, people. It is hot out now. Found a nice little stream. I am going to put my brain underwater real quick, cool things down. I'm going to put our booties back on and head back up the hill, so hang in there. Whew! That was what we needed right there. Water in the ear button. They're all good. Oh yeah. All right, we feel much better. Now we can keep on keeping on. This one's an actual hike. If anybody doesn't know, for Saturday Falls, there's a woman in a 4-wheel powered scooter going up the pathway there. So absolutely anybody can make it up for that one. This one so far is a decent little hike, but it's nothing crazy. It's just pretty warm out. So I'm gonna stop complaining and carry on. It is mighty toasty out, I tell you. Wow. All right, the old scenery around here starting to look awfully pretty. Yeah, look at that. Very nice, very nice. Dang. It is mighty toasty out here, I tell you all. Yeah, but we've been going along at a pretty good clip here, so I mean that 1.4 miles, I mean we gotta be on it here pretty quick. I mean just by my precise calculations up here, you know? So I'll see you folks a little on further down the road here. All right, here. This one's an actual hike here. Yeah, time for a little water break. We're gonna carry on. There was a couple of kids that just walked by with a big old pack of dogs. They looked like they were about 8, and they had probably 6 dogs with them. A couple of kids. Looked like they were gonna get dragged down the mountain. So that was what we needed. We are going to zip up the bag here and head that way. So I will see you folks soon. All right, I think we're coming up on the my god, I am soaking wet here. But yeah, looks like we're coming up on the stairway up that way. Bam, look at this. All right, here. What do we got? Yeah. Champney Falls, Mount Shikora. We're going to Champney Falls. Yeah, let's go this way. Whew. All right. Some downhill. All right, I like working with gravity. Working with gravity is good. I was just working against gravity for the last hour and a half here. All right, stop complaining. We'll find this dang falls here, Champney Falls. All right, let's see. All right. Can you hear something? All right. Oh boy. Oh, yeah. on it. All right, folks, we have finally made it. This is incredible here. Like this whole, I think this set of falls here is like multiple sections here, but I just kept walking. There was a couple of cool things down there, but I will work my way back down. But this right here, look at this. And the fact that this one was much harder to get to makes it that much more rewarding because I get sweat in my eye. There's nobody here. Nobody. Actually, I lied. Down there is a couple people, but that's okay. This is so cool. Wow. And it goes way up over there as well. Oh, this is what makes it totally worth it, folks. This is unreal. Try to not slide down there and break my ankles here, but yeah, we made it. Oh, yeah. Woo. All right. Oh, this is a perfect little seat right here. Well, folks, I have found Mother Nature's Adirondack chair. Look at this thing. So sick. Woo! That water is... that is mighty cold, but it's very refreshing. Trying not to smash my face in this camera that provides Carlito's way with its footage here. Don't want to be smashing that off the rocks. But, God, look at it. All right, here. All right, there's some folks down there that go climb up over here. All right, see, this was the one that I was absolutely not expecting to do here today. Didn't even know this place existed. Didn't know a lot of these places existed, but I didn't know this place existed till I pulled in the parking lot here. So, yeah, take a look at this. All right, getting a little grease in here. But I think we'll be all right. Oh, baby. All right. Wow. How you doing, folks? There's some peoples over there, but look at that. Oh man, this is so cool. I gotta bring some people out here with me. Anybody wants to go on the next little excursion? Get at me. I really want to crawl under that waterfall, but there's no way these little guys are gonna get traction on that. We'll go right down and smash our you-know-what. So I'm gonna go put the camera down, head on down there, and we're gonna go work our way up that way. It looks pretty cool. But first off, let me see if I can see anything up here. Oh, what's up there? I don't know. I don't even know what's up there. You know what's up there, but I don't know what's up there. Look at this. Like, come on. Look at this. It has been a fantastic summer so far. And look at that. Look at that. Mother Nature does some serious work, you know? Crazy. I'm gonna go back over there and put my boots on real quick so we can actually do some navigating around these rocks. We all know how my feet handle these, handles this kind of landscape here. See you in a few.
Oh my God. It's unreal. Cheers to today, people. Cheers to today. All right. The boots.
All right, people, we got our boots back on here. Hey, come on. Like, this is another thing. Like, I've never seen a picture of this before. Ever. Never. Wow. Like, what? This is... It's like Mother Nature's butt crack. It's a big old crackaroony, if I've ever seen one. Wow. Like, what? This is nuts. Oh my God. Woo! No way. Speechless. Mind blown and speechless. And my feet are a little sore from the old rocks here. Wah, wah, wah. Calling the ambulance. Hopefully it's waiting for me in the parking lot here. Like, what the fuck? I don't even know what to tell you, folks. Well, Carlito's Way has done it today. Ah, we're emceeing again here. Jesus. This is... Like, I don't even know what to say. This is unreal. I kind of want to hike up there, but I really want to cannonball down into that rock there. But I think we're going to go ahead and back down over that way and head on up the other side of the falls. Maybe we can go get to the top up there and take a look down here. So let's do that. Actually, you know what? First, I think I'm going to go take a natural shower right there. Let's do that. Woo! Oh, Lordy! That is cold. It feels good. I should have brought the mountain studs. God! This is unreal. Can't beat this, folks. Can't beat it at all. Ah! Woo! All right. Look at that. All right. We're going to go head on back up there to the other side of the top of the falls. Woo! This is steep. All right. All right. Wow. This is, oh my God. Good thing I came up here. Oh, this is unreal. I know I need some new words for my vocabulary, but this stuff is leaving me speechless out here, folks. Like, I've lived here my whole life. And this thing has been here way before me, and it'll be here way after me, and all of us. But, wow. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. All right. Let's just climb up the falls here. All right. Now this here is the honey hole. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, we might as well keep on keeping on. Let's go. Look at it. Like, they even made us a set of stairs. Fucking gentlemen, you know? Wow, look at that. It's like some Harry Potter stuff over here. Hopefully these things are dug into the side of the cliff here good. But, wow. All right. Hello. Let's carry on. All right. And up we go. And up we go. All right here. Whew. Ah. Oh my God. Whew. The legs are burning. Bad. Oh my God. All right. Look at this little chute. Oh man. All right. Wow. This is New Hampshire, people, not Mars, not the Grand Canyon, New Hampshire. And that would really suck if we heard a rumble and saw a big old wall of water coming down there. But, oh my God. Oh my God. I almost just went for a ride. Ride. Oh my God. Now my feet are wet. That's not good. All right. Folks, we found ourselves in a predicament here. We're marked safe from that one. Jeez. All right, maybe we should get back on a actual trail here before we die ourselves. All right. Wow. I'm on top of the world. Kind of want to do like a Macarena or something. I don't know. All right, yeah, that's. I've been to so many waterfalls today. I forget what the name of this one is. What was this one? Sabaday? No, we already went to Sabaday. I don't know. I think it starts with a C. I forget, but man, all right. We are. I think we're gonna wrap this one up here, folks. I am poop smokety dogged here. We've been all over the state today. We've done a couple 100 miles in the truck. We've done a couple 1,000 miles in the truck recently. So, man, I'm gonna go get some food. Probably stop at the pizza barn. Maybe I'm feeling the pizza barn. Yeah, gonna go do that. We're gonna wrap this up, head on out, and I will see you on the next one. Later, people.